Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Feel like days, only been days, but it feels like months.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Star Girl. This is
KEZIAH.
STEE. G9.
So today, do you want to explain what we're doing?
So today we are installing these girls' wigs with no tutorial.
No tutorial at all.
No tutorial.
No tutorial is
We're going in blind.
no explanation, no nothing. I'm happy to stick glue and wig to her hair.
Glue
So,
and
yeah.
wigs to the hair.
Don't know what we have to brush their hair first, isn't it?
No, the caps are on, so you don't have to do none of that.
We have to make sure that they're natural.
Wait, hold on, stop. Does this have to stay on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
To protect our edges, we don't want to lose them.
You need to treat the hair underneath before you treat the hair on top.
You know we don't do this.
Why?
This for after when we're brushing the edges down.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. You need to get it right
But
first.
that's for after.
So first of all,
Hey, look at these wigs.
Guys, it's old wigs.
It's old wigs.
I hope it's all though.
You want a new one to ruin it?
Yeah, we couldn't give you the new ones.
How old is this though?
It's not that old.
I've had that for years.
Wait, that's mine. Can you guys swap?
Yeah, it's the wrong way around.
You just had to put green in the back of their head.
Why did you have green on your hair?
Because I'm
It's dyed.
green.
This is not combed as well. Oh, you know why we can't brush the hair yet? Because it's not stuck in the head first.
So you need to stick it down first.
Yes, So what we need to do, we got to be,
Why do you know so much, bro?
You get got to be.
Alright, cool. So put it across the head like that. Here.
Got to be on the ground.
The extreme free spray.
wait, not too close, not too close.
What do you mean?
It will hurt. It will not hurt.
Nah, she's good, man. She's strong.
Wait, what's it doing?
Bro,
What's up there?
I'm trying to do so I can stick it on.
It's there, by the way.
What's this part for?
Oh, let me go.
Wait, no, read it.
No, you're not allowed to say anything. You have to do it yourself.
This install's gonna come off, let me tell you that.
It's not meant to stay on.
Oh, yeah.
The hair.
Wait. So we got a no. So we got to put it on here first.
Nah, you need to ease it on. Jesus. What's this? Keratin heat spray. Shit, man. Go on.
Damn, might as well still.
Wait.
Hey.
Wait, what?
You put heat protector on the thing. Wait.
Wait,
I know,
what?
can I help him?
I know this one's been heat.
Oh, look at my head. He's about to put the wig on this.
I probably don't care about the wig.
See, I know you're not supposed to do it on the skin.
But you know, this is what you did. Nah, you know what it is, yeah?
You need a tiny bit of the
Yes.
skin.
You know what it is, yeah?
That's right. Star girl.
Oh my.
You got to think about it like
You're
school.
gonna need another glue. You have to buy new glue.
You got to think about it like school. Remember in school, yeah, when we use PBA glue, we need something to spread the glue across the forehead. I mean across the surface. So when you run out, I'm spreading.
Guys, what glue are you using?
Super fade.
Oh, yeah, the way you fade.
Well,
He's using the razor side.
say sir?
Don't cut
Cut the
me!
razor side.
Stop feeling.
Don't cut me, I beg you. You've been up to
Wait, what about the sides?
green
Kieran?
wig.
What about the sides? Are you gonna glue down the sides?
It's coming. The sun's coming.
Okay.
'Cause I need-
Eee,
Bro, you're messing up my wig, bro.
Unfold it.
Unfold. Bro.
Why?
I'm gonna blink. It's gonna glue my neck.
So why is all the glue here? See, I glued it nicely.
It's not even on where the glue is. Where did they glue it?
See,
Why is it not coming on?
I really had high hopes for you. I can't lie.
look at the lace. Steady. This is to glue down dry the glue.
What?
Freeze his hair in place.
My bad.
Keep you sure you're doing the right thing?
Yes, bro. Okay, cool.
So you're
The
seeing
side I'm
Scott.
stuck down, but see,
You're seeing Scott.
No,
Yeah?
super hold. What's
He's
that?
pressing it in. But
Super
it's
hold
nothing.
split spray.
Oh,
30%,
the same thing.
30% more holding power.
You're a
Bro,
troll.
they all have the same power, bro. They all have the same power. 30% more. 30% more than what? 30% more holding power than what?
That's actually good. That's a good point, though.
They're talking about the same thing.
You know they're the same product.
No, forget about that.
You and your
Oh,
judge, bro.
yeah, I thought it was all. They need to.
See?
Did you hear what you just said?
Wait, sorry, whoa.
God forbid.
What are you doing? You're spraying water. Why?
She said loosen up
So-
your dry crust.
Alright, thanks. Alright.
So when I'm combing it,
Apparently this is glued, guys. It's glued. The lace is melted.
It's
How
not.
would
It's
you
not.
define the lace? You can't.
it's not glued yet. I need to.
Oh,
Bro,
sorry,
we've not
sorry.
defined it yet, bro. Stop.
You just sprayed in my eye.
Calm down. You're overreacting.
Not interfering. Be happy.
Not bad, bro. Smoothing the hair oil.
Oh my god.
Needs all of that.
Shut up.
You're a troll.
You've got-
It's
you've-
going down. Amen.
Man.
It's a focus.
A length install cut line. So what parting are you
10
thinking?
10.
Huh?
Shit,
What
side
type of
part,
parting?
side part, middle part, start.
What parting?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good
You're
question.
cutting, you're styling, all that.
Oh, shit.
Side parting.
Side
That
part,
part.
yeah.
Do you know what I want? I want a bob. I want you to cut into a bob.
Can I cut this?
What scissors?
Stop, can I cut it?
It's already a bob.
No, I want to cut even
Oh,
more.
sorry, Sean.
The lace
I'm
piece,
gonna
the lace
regret
piece.
this,
So,
but
Where's the lace piece? This though.
we're cutting into a bob. Because that's
Wait.
it's good.
So to part the hair.
If you know me, go ahead.
Hey, this is not glued down.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I
I
thought.
said that. Wait,
Why not?
you know you can still see the wig cap.
Sorry?
If I was walking around like this,
You get man, don't worry.
You got header, man.
I
Don't
hear
make
it
sure you're
still.
not looking.
Header on here, man.
Bring update your TikTok.
sorry. Invisible.
Oh, there's even more glue.
Oh, he's parting with the flipping.
Oh, this.
Matches are finished.
I told you to push it back, push it
Matches are
forward.
finished. Yeah.
Oh,
You
bro,
know, time of the race. I went from 10 to 20 last week.
Sick.
Where you putting the hair?
I'm pinning it.
I believe
You
it's
did a
it.
good
Making
job.
sense. I'm doing decent.
I still see the cup there.
So last week I chatted to Sandra, innit?
Yeah.
Sandra
from
from EastEnders. So, obviously, she's trying about her man, Felix.
What's that man
I know
saying?
Felix.
There's bare domestics in that house apparently. Bare domestics, do you feel me? And obviously, she's saying that she wants to leave, but she can't, you feel me? Because I love him and it's not that simple.
I heard his cousin.
It's
I
Felix's
heard his cousin
fault.
robbed his auntie the other day.
Felix is what?
Other day, I was driving the car.
They did a terrible job.
Huh?
Your cap is still showing.
Oh, sorry.
Bro, I'll colour it in later, innit?
Colour it in.
Yes.
That's brazy. I didn't know you could do that.
You know you can.
Hey, don't mess with my work.
Sorry.
You wonder why your lace just looks like
You're
cardboard?
advanced, guys.
Because
Hardwood is insane.
Cardboard is wild.
It's true though. Some of you girls' laces be looking like cardboard,
Yeah,
looking
my
like
lace
wood.
is
Do
cool.
you feel me? Come to us, we'll see it out.
We'll sort you out.
We'll look invisible.
invisible.
Lace is
Part of the
not
scalp. Do you feel me? You shouldn't be calling it lace, you should be calling it wood.
Fairs.
But when it comes to us, it's just invisible lace.
Check this motherfucker up.
He's skipping every step there is.
You've not. What do you know?
Yeah, you did
Go on.
good. Let's leave them.
Do you know what I think? You should let us trim your hair next.
We're gonna let this sit here.
That's impossible.
Bro, we're
Don't
gonna let
ever
this
think
sit for
about
half an hour.
I was
You're gonna
thinking
let
about
the
that.
mousse sit.
We're gonna part the hair.
Jump
Why-
skirt.
Look what he's parting the hair with.
Jump.
Yes.
What's moving?
There's no hair.
Oh,
Wow. It's bare bouncing, bro.
We're gonna let this sit in for like 10 minutes.
Mush is sharp and the hair just did this.
What part are you doing?
Oh, side parting, sorry. Huh?
Does
Parting?
you know what? What, side plotting?
Side parting.
Side plotting. Wow.
See, look at it. It's moving.
This is gonna be a hard side parting.
It don't move, it don't move.
Swimwear. Faster.
Cut. Should we do down? Stop, girl.
I didn't do nothing.
That's the definition of believing yourself. Because
Off my own back, bro. Off my own work.
Sorry, look, it's a frontal.
Frontal closure.
you made a closure.
How can I turn frontal to closure? Shit, you might as well pay me for that. I know no one else has managed to turn the frontal to closure.
You really gotta concentrate.
That glue there is gonna hold it down. That was a lot.
Cover the wig cap too.
I feel the side part there. I'm feeling it. Wow.
When you really look at the side part, it's really pine.
He put the glue on the lace.
Okay, now what kind?
I'm gonna call this hairstyle Moses.
I'll give you my own part. I've never done it before.
I'm gonna call this hairstyle Moses.
What you say?
We're gonna try it out.
Because I really parted the Red Sea.
I'm gonna do a double part.
Think about it.
What is a double
A
part?
double part, bro.
You know,
Do you want to explain what a double part is?
I believe in you.
You believe in me?
I didn't see no one melting the lace.
I'll melt it in
Melt
due
band
time.
doesn't
Oh,
exist
sorry,
with this,
sorry,
with this
sorry.
install.
He
Melt the
melted
lace.
in due time.
We don't deal with hot things because I might burn her skin. I can't do that.
Yes, you-
Let's glue it down. Pass me the glue. Pass me the
The
glue.
glue went down. Wait, glue went down.
I don't know.
Glue went down.
To do my double part, bro. Like,
Hey.
the double part was done like this.
Hey, no glue.
This hair in place. No, it's the wrong one. We don't want this. Yay! I'm gonna line it here. This is where the part will be.
Sorry, what are you doing over there?
Is that glue?
Sorry, what are you doing over there? Sorry, what are you doing over there?
Mind your business, yeah? Just trust the process. Just show me.
What is that?
Don't worry. Don't watch. Bro, if you want a double part, just ask, innit? And I'll take
I
it.
don't want double part.
Of course, innit?
Alright, cool. Now we're gonna put the parts in the hair. So,
Put the clip behind my
first
ear.
thing first,
Ah, your head doesn't like
we're
sticking
gonna
on.
use leave-in conditioner.
Trying to make it.
Please, I don't want that one. I don't want leaving condition.
Go baby, go
No,
baby,
it's in hot cream,
go
your
baby, go baby.
Hey, why your hair rough?
You're making them off.
Hard, anyways.
Put some pepper in it.
No, it's not.
Don't lie to me. I know it's synthetic. Nothing's wrong with synthetic hair.
No, it's
I
not.
think all of it looks good.
I said.
Mara?
Not messing with zigzag. So, you need to part it.
It's a wax stick.
Sleek stick.
Okay.
Hey, would you do this? This is hard.
I think it sticks the parting.
Swear. Alright, swear.
Sticks.
Man, I commend you people that do this.
Let me push it up for you.
It's not easy, bro.
Oh.
Okay,
You
side,
know I try to test it.
side part, Bob.
That's actually.
How's he? Alright, you know what? It's like this. This one I'm gonna do.
Your install looks scary.
No.
Don't actually laugh at me. That's. I think.
This is just process. Well done to you.
Yes, it's coming together.
You're blocking the light. He handed. Oh my gosh.
Who?
You.
Swear.
Just hit my head anyhow.
Hey, stop.
Sorry, I'm used.
I felt that.
I'm
He's basically
What?
doing that. He's
I'm
twisting
used-
his head in my head anyway.
used to cut the hair, not sort of. What do you mean?
Yeah,
This is
you're quite
hard.
bob. I told him I want a bob. Actually, no, let
Can
me
you
not.
keep your head
Let me
still?
not. Let me not.
You-
If I mess
you
up
want
your
a bob?
hairline now, I'm the bad
You
guy.
can
No, I don't
keep
want
it like
bob
this
anymore.
and that. Keep it straight.
Okay. That's what my barber does to me. He grips my head like this.
Yes,
Sorry,
I,
bro.
yes, I do.
You're like a rock star.
Hard, innit? I'll make you look like Rihanna. I'm proud. Let's go cover this one eye.
How long does it take to warm up?
Can you stop?
So this is where we are so far. Can you look at the camera? Wow. So look at the camera. Wow. I did.
It looks nice on camera, but that's a lie. Figure out what's in on it.
I don't know if it's glue.
It's the wax stick. Press it.
Hard. I can feel it.
No.
Ezra, don't worry, I got you. I'm not gonna burn you. The only thing that's gonna burn are those niggas that decide to decline you at their time of stingness.
Of course not, man. What did you think?
You've been sitting on my face all the time.
Nice.
So what's that gonna do?
It's gonna hold down the hair.
What happened to the side part?
You know, hold
This is
down
the side
the
part,
hair.
look.
Oh.
That's the side part. Can you
Oh,
see it?
okay.
Yeah.
Wait, the lace is lifting.
No. Oh. Lace lift sometimes, but don't judge people, innit? It's gonna go over your eye.
It's a material, innit?
Exactly. Like, you're good, man. This is good.
It's about the quality of the material. Don't do it with nice cover.
Can I get that hot comb after you, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
I feel like I need more glue, I'll be honest, bro.
Go on.
It's not glued down properly. Hey!
Hey. E.
Stick. Okay, cool.
My hair?
It doesn't move. Are you good? Careful. Okay. Why are you twitching?
Felt it.
Are you not supposed to feel it? Oh shit. Alright, now let me do this angle here. The dry, fizzy hair. This way.
It's not going in the hair yet.
I don't want to burn her scalp, please, KEZIAH.
But it's not
He
even
doesn't wanna
touching.
burn my
It's not
scalp.
combing anything.
Leave him. He doesn't want to burn my scalp.
Smoothing hair oil. Anti-dry, anti-frizz. Coconut oil and cocoa butter.
Tell him.
That's what you need. I'm so locked in right now. Swear down.
This part's sticking out.
I can see that. KEZIAH.
Listen.
And you know what I'm gonna do about it?
I'm just helping you because I believe in you.
I'm gonna hot comb it down.
Yeah.
They call me Gina the barber. But you can also call me Gina the installer. This is really a tough wig.
Oh, I got it. Oh shit, did I burn you? My bad. Are you okay? That hurt. I feel so bad. I'm sorry. I'll give you this time.
Why are you putting it like that?
We want the green to really pop. So you know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to dye it. I use that. It does wonders for the lace.
Swear.
You
Promise.
didn't even spray on the lace. You didn't even spray on the lace.
Extreme firm hold. Do you know what I need now?
How do you feel so far?
Firm and
I
loose.
feel like a real beauty.
How is the customer service?
Because you are.
That lace is
Amazing.
gone.
Oh,
You
you
can't
can't
even
believe.
see it.
Squad.
30%
I don't think you should lie to your client.
Where's the lace?
Hey.
You can't see the lace actually.
It's
Come
not
on.
even
Melted.
Melted.
Heat protection.
It's folded.
So now we're using foam. Mousse.
Should I already use that?
Why do you have mousse though?
Ooh, we ain't even been using these. How can I feel?
Go on. I heard it still.
Hold that in place.
I don't like this. I'm not using this. Let me try.
Let me see it.
It's
You
gel.
don't like it, so you're not using it.
No, for expert edge control.
He doesn't like it, so he's
For your
not
edges,
using
let's
it.
lay them edges now. Hold
You
on,
can use the mousse for
hold on.
That's the smartest thing he's done. You just use his finger.
We're gonna. In fact, I've seen my sister do this. Hold on.
We're gonna cut it.
No, I said forget the bob. Forget the bob.
No, don't forget the bobs.
Hey! My wig's gone.
You're gonna.
My wig's gone. My wig's gone.
Those edges are
Slayed, innit?
laid, bro. Hold on.
So wait. So
Perfection.
wow. Wow.
Edges are laid.
I got you rare, man.
Beyonce couldn't compare.
I got
couldn't.
you rare, man.
Beyonce who?
Beyonce who? Beyonce where?
Beyonce where?
Stiff wear.
Stiff wear.
Wow.
Hello?
You know what? I'm gonna do what you're doing. I'm gonna
Bro, come and look at that edge, bro. Look at that edge there. Tell me that's not laid.
Let me see.
Tell me that edge there ain't laid. Say.
Your
Say.
hand still.
Say. Nah, I got it, man.
Why is there a gap?
Ask yourself.
Okay, now the edges are laid. Hey,
You're funny. You never said that.
I feel like there's a loose cap. How am I gonna make the green pop? That's what our next mission is.
Do what's best for me, innit?
Exactly. Let's think. Can we side part the side part?
Featuring Coca-Cola.
So, next thing I'm going to do is curl the hair.
Triple
Not
pop.
sponsored.
Triple.
Not sponsored.
Gonna curl the hair. Let me give you a tutorial.
I'm understanding it.
Is it what in the
Bro, give me some. I want some watch it.
You actually said it right though.
You know what watch it looks like?
No, I don't.
Or some shit.
You actually don't?
On the weekends, my name is Kwame.
Oh, sorry.
So what do you know about watching?
Kwame.
No.
Kwame.
Why she's
And
lame?
she brought it back from
Kwame.
London. Remember?
Kwa bana.
Okay. I actually don't want to get your ears here.
Kwesi.
Kwesi.
Kwa bana.
My
I
name
think we're the
is
same friend.
my name's Abena.
Who's the friend?
Bana.
You were scared that you were burning. You actually be scared.
Yeah, no.
Even it happens to with buffet. It happens to me.
No. No.
This is
If I
not
burn you
keeping
too
the
much, the game, innit?
Yeah, I'll see you in fact.
Okay, we're gonna have this tiny section here. Piss off, man. I'm cold.
It's cold.
Hey, what?
It was
going
getting
on?
too close.
I'm coming.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Look, that
Yeah.
candle's getting too close to my face.
Yeah.
Hopefully this
Steady
is
with
stuck
it.
down by now.
got
Thank
you,
you. This
I've
is
got
not
you.
as job. Hey. There it is.
Oh.
Pressing on this.
Oh my gosh! Look at the curl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yes, ladies.
Look at her eyes on it.
Stand
Yeah.
up, show them because you can't see it.
You have to give him a close up.
Yeah, show them the
360,
curl.
360.
Look at that bounce. Look at
Look
that
at
bounce.
I'm in love with the booty bounce. I'm in love with the booty bounce. I'm in love with the booty
Bro,
bounce.
what I've just done here is
Okay.
ridiculous. She looks like a rock star. Can you sing a rock song for me?
Determinate.
I don't know the words.
Determinate.
No.
I wanna and then
I thought that heat for a second.
So,
oh, look at it curl though.
Did something
You
still.
know what you should do? You know what you should do? Half curly, half straight.
Please don't. Don't
Curly
do
on
my
this
thing.
side, straight on that side.
You want people to be walking around like that.
Yes, who have you ever seen do that? Huh?
Would you move to a girl with half curly, half straight?
No.
Yes, come on now.
No, you would.
Bro,
You wouldn't.
You like abstract girls.
Abstract.
Asymmetrical.
I'm trying to say the girls I like are
ambiguous.
aesthetically challenged.
That's
That's what you're trying to say.
I said aesthetically challenged.
High side. Okay, what's next? What's next for you?
Let me see that car.
That's okay. What's
This
this?
guy in this 30% hold.
Is this the same thing? Heater.
It's for the
straight.
edges.
Yeah.
For the
Straight,
edge?
yeah.
I mean, the edges are laid. Where are you going?
You don't need it.
I did lay the edges. I did lay the edges. Melting band. Hot melt.
It's not
band.
you want to melt it.
Let's melt this part.
Wow.
Yeah, bro. I know you didn't see this. Professional.
My phone will melt.
Melt.
because it was behind the box. How am I supposed to see that behind the box?
And your straps.
This is confused. Wow.
That is melted. Hey. Sorry, I'm gonna try to
Who my
straight from
hair?
the wig buffet.
Smack up my hair.
Period.
Don't say that.
Where's it going?
Ah.
It's only good for
Flying.
so long.
Where's it going?
It's down here, Maybe your head's too big for it.
On top.
You know, I forgot.
Oh.
The heat protect damage.
Yeah, because these guys be outside. Why did
Wait, what? Because we're outside.
heat protection from
Heat
the,
protection
from
spray.
the sun, innit?
Wow.
From the sun.
No, because I'm
We need heat protection from the sun.
No, not from the sun, from
No,
the
let
colour.
him believe in what.
Ah!
From the
It's not from the sun.
That's right.
It's for the colour, bro.
Yes.
So I already did heat on her hair about it.
Yeah.
So she's finished.
Finished.
I see a loose strand right here, so I'm just gonna snip that motherfucker off. When I cut off all your split ends, do you understand? 'Cause
That look is good.
Just don't pixie with it at this point.
No, you look like a surfer dude.
she looks hard. Bro, don't violate my client, bro. Bro, don't violate my client, bro. I'll make sure they're done right. The edges are
That's a
laid.
lot. That's a lot you're spraying.
Edges are laid. Laces stack.
So look, I'm spraying.
Wait, so if I go to a
Wait.
motive, let me ask you something. If I go to a motive with this, it won't come off. What are you doing with it? You already curled it.
I know. I'm just leaving on that
I'm gonna
side.
put this in
Okay.
between the parts so it can really set in.
Set in, innit?
Set in. Because you got to protect from the sun. Nice.
Wait,
Set
the
in.
mist also protects us from the sun.
Yeah.
Comme si comme ça.
Give me the alcohol.
The reflection
Give me the alcohol.
in the window.
Yeah, pass me the alcohol. It's
What do you
time.
need the alcohol for?
You know what I need it for. It's that time. What?
Why does it look like
How much are you gonna pour?
Why does it look like he's gonna pour it on my hair?
You don't want your hair to be burnt. I suggest you stay still.
The alcohol gets rid of all the bacteria, innit?
Sorry, hairstylist.
So now you put alcohol, your hair's clean, ready for the day, ready to. Ready for We're not done. We still have one more thing to do.
When are you gonna straighten it?
I have to straighten it.
Wait, when?
What you trying to say, bro? I'm saying.
In the reflection, this looks like a good install.
Is it actually?
No, not yours. This one.
Listen, have faith in him. Trust the process. Okay?
Look at it, it's
Trust
working.
the process.
I wanna try me, can't try me. Straighten, it's working now.
It's a new way of
Nah,
doing
with
it,
it.
you know.
Exactly. I'm putting guys on.
Inches on the weave.
Cool, cool. I think I'm nearly done.
We laid, we
Take that
slayed, we
Yeah, I know.
Laid, slays. But she got bare man calling her bae.
Hey.
What can I say? She came here at 7, left here at 8.
Now we take off. Now we
I
take
see
off
what you
the
said.
Pick up the milk man, innit?
melted. Oh, give me my props. Give me my props. Wait, give me my props. Give me my props.
Who's that?
Give me my props.
Who is it?
Edges there.
Go on.
Lace is definitely not cardboard. Definitely see-through.
HD.
I would like some dye, hair dye.
Have,
It's still contrasting. Excuse me. See, it's melted real nice, bro.
So is it time for me to see it?
No.
Sorry.
That's the day.
Sorry.
Nah, I already put the super. No, I didn't put
Oh my gosh.
30% more.
Okay.
He sprayed 30% more in my face.
You're lying.
With my cousin behind me.
It'll look smooth,
What are you
nice.
doing now?
Dude.
No, you use the hair. She's leaving the thing.
Styling wax. Do I use my hand?
Oh.
You know what you're slick like? Let's just put the wig on and he killed it.
Why are you?
Face, look at your head. Face your front.
My hair's slayed,
Oh,
so.
no,
Your hair slay dragons.
Hey,
Sure.
that gummy's gone crazy in your hair, bro.
What,
Oh, he finished your hair.
Bro, don't lie. No. She's taking the piss, bro. She's taking the piss. Don't worry, you're straight. You're straight.
You're good, bro.
You know what? I trust in my stylist.
Thank
Sam.
you.
I trust
Where you put the
in my
gummy?
stylist.
Okay, have you ever had gummy day in your life? No, so you can't talk on it.
That looks nice though.
Thank you.
Period.
I promise you, if your hairstylist, if the wig buffet came to you and said, let me put gummy there, you're saying, okay, bro. Thank you. Everyone that wants to go to wig buffet, just know this is where she's going to put the gummy, right here. So everyone keep
No,
of the finest of wigs.
this is the finest of the finest of the wigs.
Like,
Stephen, our job is to make the wig the finest of the wigs.
In it.
fairs.
And we've done it on numerous occasions, so why are you listen, Stephen, have faith in yourself, bro.
I do, bro, I do.
You can do it, bro.
How faith in it.
Have faith. Jehovah,
It's actually Kellen, right? You know, Kellen away from the face.
What, you want me to burn her face?
Yeah.
Don't move. Show them. It's stuck.
Wow. Bro, that whole stuff.
Wow.
Stuck.
Yeah.
Well, show your people them the cows.
The edges are laid.
That's
Wow.
wow.
Lifting.
That's lifting, bro. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. The wig is still trying to fly away.
Hold on, let me just make sure. I know when you get in the motive, you especially Star Girl, like I know that you be you're as on tour. So I need to make sure that's it won't fly off. It's like,
Stuck in it. Show them.
we need to make sure that it won't fly off. I'm proud of this one.
You're proud.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see it.
Let's get some gummy.
It's more gummy. Chineke.
Hopefully it can help stick it down.
Chineke me.
Something bad is about to happen. What's that gummy doing? Sticking your legs down.
Mm-hmm.
We settled the gummy now.
Keep it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't decline. Don't decline.
You.
Me?
Yeah.
He doesn't need it.
I don't need it.
Oh, it's okay.
He doesn't need no melt.
The list
No
is
melt
different.
band. It will melt on its own, innit?
What's mine?
You're little.
Bro, you gotta melt it with the hot comb, bro.
No, not with the hot comb, with the milk band. You have to melt it with the milk band.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, wrap it around.
Wow.
No. Let's lift the hair. Lift the hair for me, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
I use this one myself.
Stack, innit? Innit? Behave.
Trying to see if it's stuck
doesn't have
down.
sense. Okay.
So I have to wait here for.
I can't lie, that's
Look good still.
Period.
The mousse.
Okay, I think it's enough now.
That's like 2 seconds.
Wow.
I'm waiting for the big reveal.
you're trying to do me dirt.
Are you guys, you know, feeling the hair?
So excited.
No, where's the wax?
Straight, is it, you know, flat, all that.
Look at these curls. Don't play with my hairstylist.
Period.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
The colours.
The best of the best, innit?
Facts. So let me make sure the edges.
Let me tell you something. He's a barber and a hairstylist.
Look at his trim.
Shit.
Look at
What do
this.
you call it? What do you call this?
You call it
No, we call it.
a mid skin fade. That's what I did.
It's gonna fit, that's it.
Look at my shape up. Look at myself.
What do you call this? That one?
Shape up. That's what I just said.
Oh, sorry.
And look at her hair.
What do you call this?
Side part and red hair. No, call it Moses.
Wow.
I hear it, because he parted the red hair.
I'll part the red hair.
This
Red-
hairstyle
And it's
is
wavy like the
Moses.
sea.
Book him if you want.
Okay, now we're done. We're done.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not done. Edges.
I think your edges are laid, bro.
They're not laid. They're not even covered up.
Actually, you don't want to go for the no edge look.
Huh?
You don't want to go for the no edge look.
No, because that'll just leave me on edge. No, this doesn't need. It doesn't need edges.
It doesn't.
Doesn't need edges. Doesn't need edges.
This is hard. I'm done.
It's hard. Now we're waiting for the big reveal.
Right. There's nothing more I can do to improve this.
Then a 10.
It's broken. How did you break it?
Bro, when you leave these alcohol, how do you know her hair's not gonna get infected? No, I won't get infected. Bro,
Infected by what?
when she catches monkeypox on her hair.
I was calm because I prayed before it happened.
Before what happened?
Before I did the hair.
I used to love getting this, you know, when I was a kid.
Yeah, man. It's not very nice as well. It's feel very nice as well. Nah, it's true. Okay, cool. So with no tutorial,
No tutorial, man.
no help,
No help.
Self-taught.
self-taught process. This is what we've done. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow. If I pull it, will it come off?
No.
Don't pull it.
pull it. Don't pull it.
Don't push it
Don't
up.
pull it. Okay.
What you saying?
Do you know what? I really like the curls.
No comment. It's too good. Like you.
Oh, yeah.
Speechless. Left and speechless. I really like the curls though.
I can see
Dang.
the cut.
That's what I done.
Stylist, I
Wait,
think. You tried though. You tried to, you know.
There's
give
no
me that.
gaps, bro.
Alright.
It's called the false
I can
invisible look.
I can see the cut. Guys,
So
are
that's
you
what
gonna
I
blend it?
No,
This-
it's meant to
this
be
look is
like
called
that.
what?
It's new fashion.
This
called-
is called Moses
It's called Moses.
because I've done a parting
See,
on
look at
red
this.
hair and the hair is waving like the
This is
sea.
so bad.
Think about
This
it.
is what we like.
Where's the lace?
This is what we like. Bro, the lace is invisible, bro. You can't see it, bro.
This
This
is
is
terrible.
She can't stop looking at herself. Come on, get her, man. She can't stop looking at herself, bro. She can't stop.
Lace
because,
wear,
wow.
bro.
Lace wearer.
Lace wearer.
Stick wearer.
You can't find it because
Where?
it's
Stick
not stuck.
wearer. You feel me? You can't, bro. Come on, bro. That's
No, would you move to a girl with a lace like this?
Of course.
It looks like this.
Without hesitation.
Without his
If I see the fact that the wig cap is kind of poking through just means that she's herself. She likes to be in a
That's
natural.
the natural.
You get what I'm saying? She's not
all these
afraid to
girls,
show that.
all these fake BBL girls, all these
She's
fake.
not afraid to show this part.
She's not
of her.
afraid to show.
She's
yourself.
showing you that there's.
I understand you.
I
If I see
understand.
you on video, baby.
You liar! I could just get the fuck out. You just chatted. You would.
Bro, if I see a wig cap poking through,
You like it?
I love it.
see, let's be real. The pattern's nice too. The edges are laid. There's not much.
He
more to
tried
ask
it though with the side. Do you see it? You know when you got
Exact-
both sides in.
See,
You know,
I'm
the
plugged in.
Jonah's tapped behind my ear.
Look at.
Oh,
Look at.
I see it still.
You tried.
You're proud of yourself, innit?
So proud.
Look at it.
Let
Wow.
us know how to book you.
Tell them
Shout out,
how
man.
to book you.
I'm an agent.
Age.
I'm an
Go to the
agent.
gram. One that STEE. Go to the gram. Go to the gram. You can book me there.
Agent.
I take DMs.
We've got your store.
but shout her, and then she'll, you know, she handles my timetable. You feel me?
Shit. Because you're a day one client, I'm not gonna charge you.
This is for free.
It's for free.
Completely.
I was never paying, but.
No.
Let me lift my.
Don't lift the lace.
What the heck, guys? Get into it.
So look at this. Obviously,
You did a
more
terrible
tutorial.
job, but you know.
We did an
She's
amazing
lying,
job.
bro.
Don't
Look at
lie.
the side
Just
part, with the
get out.
edges lid.
He tried
Come
it
on,
with
there is no
The
Speak
wig
for
cap is
yourself.
poking through for the added effect. Wig cap just poking through.
added
Oh.
effect.
No, there's not much more you can ask for. To be
Yeah,
honest.
man.
Yeah, it's coming off right now,
Calm.
you know.
Come off in a motive.
Stiff.
Still,
Do it,
ow! It ain't going nowhere.
It's not it's not gonna do it still.
It's stuck.
You feel me?
It's wild.
Bro.
So yeah, man.
Stuck.
Just make sure you like,
Comment.
subscribe.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.